Can the bulls stop more losses as Ethereum retests key support? Welcome to Lynk channel. If you love getting news and update about cryptocurrency, join our community by subscribing to our channel. You can tap the bell icon to never miss our new videos. If you enjoy our channel, kindly like and share it with your friends. Now let's go for today's topic. When compared to the US dollar, Ethereum started to fall once more below $1,200. If the price of Ethereum closes below $1,150, it may fall sharply. The Ethereum price begins to take damage and losses. There was an effort to break upward over the $1,275 resistance level. Ethereum, however, was unable to sustain its gains and began a new slide underneath the $1,220 mark. Attempts were made to break upward over the $1,275 resistance area for Bitcoin. However, Ethereum was unable to increase gains and began a new drop beneath the $1,220 mark. The upward movement from the swing low of $1,076 to the high of $1,276 is being retraced by the price, which is settling close to the 61.8% mark. On the hourly chart of Ethereum US dollar, a significant negative trend line with resistance close to $1,180 is also developing. The $1,175 level is close to where there is urgent upward resistance. The price may perhaps move towards $1,220 if it surpasses the next significant resistance, which is located at the trendline zone and $1,180. Here is the trading view of Ethereum ETHUSD dollar with the 1-hour Kraken view. The important threshold is still not far from the $1,280 mark, over which the price can strengthen. In the hypothetical situation, the price may increase near the $1,350 resistance area. Will there be more loss to Ethereum? Ethereum may keep falling if it is unable to overcome the $1,180 level. Near the $1,123 region is a first area of support on the downside. The $1,080 area is the next significant area of support. Possibly driving the stock more lower would be a downward breach below the $1,080 support. The price in the preconceived ideas may drop toward the $1,020 mark. Price might potentially fall near the $950 level if it fails to maintain its position above $1,020 or $1,000. July 12, 2022. Arthur Hayes, a former CEO of BitMEX, says to get ready for a significant Bitcoin rally. As it trades between $20,000 and $21,000, Bitcoin is still constrained to a small range. The cryptocurrency was rejected at significant resistance levels and may test its annual lows at $17,000 once more. BTC's price is at $20,600 and has seen losses of 1.4% and gains of 7% during the previous day and week, respectively. Since late 2021, when Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $69,000, the cryptocurrency has been moving downward. Since then, the price of BTC has decreased by more than 60%, and the short-term trend appears to be downward. A doom loop has already started in the macroeconomic arena, according to Arthur Hayes, a former CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange BitMEX. Hayes posted a daily comparison graphic of the euro and the US dollar through Twitter. The hashtag doom loop has begun. $1 equals €1. Prepare yourselves for YCC and $BTC equals $1 million. But please be patient, these things take time. For the first time in 20 years, the value of the euro was equal to that of the dollar. The euro has been moving down since 2021, much like Bitcoin, and may continue to lose value. The conflict between Ukraine and Russia and the rise in inflation, which forced central banks throughout the world to take action by tightening their balance sheets or raising interest rates, were the main causes of this decline. The European Central Bank has not been able to implement a successful solution. Consequently, this caused its currency to plummet. Hayes' scenario, in which the euro and the US dollar declined in value in favor of gold and Bitcoin, included this doom loop as a possible outcome. The moment that Russia was shut off from the global financial system, this scenario started to take place. Countries and individuals will favor buying these commodities over fiat money created by central banks in the upcoming 10 years. Hayes clarified. Bitcoin will be successful, just like gold was. For what reason a central bank must save in a Western fiat currency only when funds may be expropriated arbitrarily and forcibly by the administrators of digital fiat monetary networks? Institutions and international governments can only trade in a trustless environment when there is no trust. Therefore, it seems sense that Hayes expects Bitcoin's price to rise dramatically. The next 10 years may see the completion of this process, but it will take time. Take a look at the tweet of Bloomberg Crypto. Stablecoins must urgently be brought under increased regulatory oversight before they can become a risk to financial stability, according to the European Central Bank. The European Central Bank has stated that stronger regulatory control of stablecoins is urgently needed before they pose a threat to the integrity of the financial system. The ECB stated in a macroprudential report released on Monday that financial stability risks from stablecoins are presently still restricted in the euro area, but if growth trends continue at their current pace, this may alter in the future. The organization warned that if a major stablecoin failed, there might be considerable spillover because certain stablecoins currently play important roles in supplying crypto markets with liquidity. Additionally, if connections between digital assets and the established financial system keep growing, there might be contagion consequences. Tether, the most popular stablecoin, suddenly lost its peg to the dollar following Terra USD's collapse. The breakdown of the Terra USD token in May, which the ECB claimed demonstrated that stablecoins are everything but stable, has drawn more attention to stablecoins. An international organization of regulators, government representatives, and central bankers known as the Financial Stability Board stated earlier on Monday that widely used stablecoins must maintain at all times the reserves that ensure the stability of value and comply with applicable international standards, and be held to high regulatory and transparency requirements. A tweet from CoinDesk. Market wrap: BTC declines for the fourth consecutive day, erasing Friday's push above $22,000. At Jimmy He 32. The price of Bitcoin, which is psychologically important, has been decreasing for 4 days in a row as it approaches $20,000. By market capitalization, the biggest cryptocurrency lost $20,500 over the previous day, or 1.8%. Despite last week's spike above $22,000, Bitcoin has been unable to sustain a breakout. In spite of this, some experts are growing more confident about a market comeback. Alex Kupsikevich, a senior market analyst at FX Pro, stated that buyers who are optimistic in the first cryptocurrency's long-term development are currently supporting BTC, which has never before dropped below such levels. The financial markets recovery was another positive element, as more people bought throughout the new half-year. The Consumer Price Index, the most generally used indicator of U.S. inflation, is set to be released on Wednesday and might reveal if the Federal Reserve's aggressive monetary policy has been successful in lowering the rate of price increases. The traditional and cryptocurrency markets may experience another wave of selling if the rise is more than investor forecasts, which might drive Bitcoin's price down. As the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization goes towards its merge and switches from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, eToro market analyst Simon Peters stated that eyes are also firmly on Ether. He also pointed out that although it is hard to predict how switching to a proof-of-stake network would affect the price of cryptocurrencies, in theory it is deflationary since it encourages token holders to risk instead of selling their coins. Over the last 24 hours, Ethereum's price fell by 2.7%. Today's trade saw most alternative currencies falling, with Uni being the largest loss, down 8.4%. That's it for our today's video. So, what can you say about the news? Let us know about it in the comments section down below. Again, this is CryptoLink channel, happy to provide you with news and updates about cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please click the like button. See you on the next one.